On top with tori for today, we bring una ogbonge informate onto security matter for Naija, as President Muhammadu Buhari don yarn am say e dey pain for body, say dem no turn security matter to politics matter for the country. Buhari don talk and come out say e no happy with how dem take turn security matter for the country enter politics way, and e yarn this one when e receive promoters of African Security Leadership Summit for State House, Abuja. President talk say e no get how some people go try spoil history, and e no go fit change the record wey Naija don set on top security matter from 2015. As e be say e get where Naija don reach and e get where Naija still dey waka go to see say security matter for the country e stand well well. E tok say all the ogbonge things wey don shele for im administration from 2015, e dey clear for eye as blind man sef go fit see am. And see on top security matter, the matter clear well well as e be say dem don dey do am well and dem no understand why people dey carry am dey enter politics. E con salute the ogbonge plan wey dey ground to see say better security summit go dey, as e go bring together many leaders for Africa, people wey dey on top the fence matter, High Commission, embassies, and leader of defense and communities for the country. As President Muhammadu Buhari dey follow chairman of the Security Summit Initiative talk, that na Royal Highness Major General Abdullahi Bagudu, retired, e tell am say e happy say the man get better experience, and as e sabi wetin dis kind conference dey bring come, as e be say na ogbonge test for Bagudu and the members wey dey the committee. As Bagudu go dey work with people wey be professional for security, defense and diplomacy, say im administration go begin dey support dem. Major General Mamman, retired, wey don become traditional ruler, na im carry the team of Global Initiative for Leadership Success, GILS, the one wey dey organize the summit, come State House. E con talk say dem dey share for the ogbonge plans and policy wey Buhari administration get to take solve all the katakata the one wey dey the country. E tok say President Muhammadu Buhari resume office for 2015 and say many places where Boko Haram matter don take scatter the country don dey reduce, and many criminal matter wey dey waka up and down for the country sef e don dey get leg, as e be say security matter for Nigeria e don dey show face. General Mamman con talk say the summit go shele for October, as this one go help tanda all security structure wey dey Nigeria, and the summit go get ogbonge name, the one wey oyinbo dey call team, wey be sustaining the security renaissance of Nigeria, as dem go still knack award give people wey don do well for security matter for the country. E tok say dem go still give money give the family of the people wey don serve well for security matter for the country. Bagudu con still yarn am say dem go give money give the family of the people wey don do well for security matter, as e be say dem pass this work go meet Baba God. Still on top make security matter stand well well for the country, na im make President Muhammadu Buhari still yarn am say insurgency na bad matter, as Naija no go use small eye take look am. Anybody wey dey catch with this one, dem go shook am well. President Muhammadu Buhari yarn this one when he be receive Peter Morel, wey be President of International Committee of Red Cross, ICRC, for Abuja. As he yarn am say Boko Haram matter, the one wey remain for northeast region for the country, he say na bad people, na im Naija government sabi dem as, and Naija government go treat them like that. He talk say dem don fall Boko Haram level and their hand don fall down, as e be say their members wey dey do this katakata for Lake Chad and the community wey dey around there, say all these ones dem go dey treat them as bad people, as e be say their hand e still dey shook for bad things. And na all this one na im dey make Naija dey collabo with Chad, Cameroon, Niger Republic and other countries dem. President talk say Naija dey use efforts well to face this matter, as government dey put body well to see say infrastructure matter work well, and then they arrange the life of internally displaced persons, that na the persons wey be say this katakata affect them, as then they protect their life, their property and the community where them they stay. E con salute the support wey ICRC and many other organizations dey give government and the people them, as e be say these children wey this thing affect, so many of them no even sabi their mama or their papa, and also dem no even sabi where them come from. President Buhari con talk say Naija government dey put body well for education, for healthcare and for infrastructure. The agency wey dey under General Theophilus Danjuma, wey don retire, wey be say Major General Paul Tafa na im come be oga on top am, dem dey do better as dem dey put ogbonge things for ground. And e con explain say better change don dey shele for the work wey dem dey do to see say people mind comot for the matter say insurgency na religion matter. Buhari tok say e no understand why person go kill person like himself, and cos e dey tok say na baba God na im get power pass. E mean say the person no sabi baba God, or the person no even sabi wetin e dey tok. Sake of say baba God na correct person wey be say e no dey use justice matter take dey play, and e no dey pull hand for bad thing. And people don dey sabi dis one, as e no come easy for dis bad people to take dey get new members dey join themselves. More tok say Naija na im be the number 5 biggest operation for ICRC for the world, and the organization go continue to dey support people wey dis katakata dey affect. On top the 2 officials for ICRC wey die for northeast, e tok say the matter shake dem well, but dat one no go stop the work wey dem dey do to give people, as dem come still salute Naija well, as e be say Naija na better place wey people fit come stay. ICRC presido come tok say the collabo wey dem get with Naija go strong well pass the way e take dey before, as dem see say plenty work dey for dem to do for Naija, and e go easy for dem to put body for all this work dem. Na here we see the better informate reach on top with tori for today, as President Muhammadu Buhari don give ogbonge informate unto how security matter don take waka for the country, as e don tok say insurgency no be play matter, and Naija government go shook body well put. And at this one, na im make am still come talk say on top this one, body dey pain am, as people don turn security matter to politics matter for the country. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate una dey hear so on top with tori for today, na T Live Media na im bring am come give una. And to continue to dey get this sharp and clear informate as e dey hot and as e dey happen for the country, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. And if you still use leg waka follow us, enter Facebook to like and follow our page for T Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba put on top www.tlivemedia.com, so they get ogbonge informate as e dey happen.